If you are choosing between non-stick and stainless steel cookware, the right answer is not that one material is always better. The better pan depends on what you cook, how much maintenance you are comfortable with, and how long you expect the pan to last. In this video, we will compare cooking performance, cleanup, durability, heat tolerance, and value so you can choose the right option for your kitchen. Let's start with non-stick cookware. The biggest advantage of a non-stick pan is convenience. Foods that tend to cling, such as eggs, pancakes, delicate fish, and grilled cheese, are easier to cook and release. You can usually use less oil, and cleanup is often quick. That makes non-stick especially useful for beginners, busy households, and anyone who regularly cooks delicate foods. It is also a practical choice when you want predictable results without spending time learning temperature control. However, non-stick cookware has limitations. The coating can gradually wear down, particularly if the pan is overheated, scrubbed aggressively, stacked without protection, or used with metal utensils. Even a well-maintained non-stick pan will generally have a shorter useful life than a quality stainless steel pan. Non-stick also is not the ideal surface for every cooking method. Very high heat and aggressive searing can shorten the life of the coating. For most everyday cooking, low to medium heat is the safer approach. Now let's look at stainless steel. Stainless steel cookware is valued for durability and versatility. A good stainless pan can handle higher cooking temperatures, develop deep browning, and create the flavorful brown bits used for pan sauces. It is well suited to searing meat, sautéing vegetables, reducing sauces, and moving between the stovetop and oven when the handle and construction allow it. Stainless steel also avoids the gradual wear of a non-stick coating. With reasonable care, a quality pan can remain useful for many years. The trade-off is technique. Food can stick if the pan is too cold, too hot, or not given enough oil. A helpful starting method is to preheat the empty pan over medium heat, add the cooking fat, and then add the food. Meat will often release more easily after it has formed a proper crust. Cleanup can take more effort, especially after searing. But stuck-on food usually can be loosened by adding warm water while the pan is still warm, or by briefly simmering water before washing it. So which pan should you buy? Choose non-stick if you mainly cook eggs, pancakes, delicate fish, or quick breakfasts, if easy cleanup is a priority, or if you prefer a forgiving cooking surface. Choose stainless steel if you want stronger browning, higher heat versatility, long-term durability, and a pan that can handle a wider range of cooking techniques. For many kitchens, the best answer is not either-or. A practical setup is one modestly priced non-stick skillet for delicate foods and one well-built stainless steel skillet for searing, sautéing, and general cooking. Each pan handles the jobs it does best, and the non-stick pan lasts longer because it is not used for everything. Before buying, check the pan size, weight, handle comfort, oven safety limits, cooktop compatibility, and care instructions. Those everyday details often matter more than marketing claims. For the full comparison and current buying guidance, use the link in the description. If this video helped, subscribe to Wade Media Research for independent reviews and practical buying guides.